Hello friends, in this video we will see how we load and install Python 3.9.6 on Windows 10 operating system. With that we will also see how we can install pip. Pip is a package management software, that means it allows you to install and manage Python packages. So we will also see how to run first Python program after installing Python. So let's see. So first of all we will download the current Python version, that is Python 3.9.6. Go to your browser and type Python, press enter, and the first link which will appear here will be from python.org. So just click on it and you can see the official website here. In just keep your mouse cursor on download, and here you can see download for Windows is available. You can also check here that 3.9 plus version cannot be used on Windows 7 or earlier. So you need to click on this button, which is Python 3.9.6. After clicking you can see it's downloading. So it will take some seconds to download. Just wait. So we downloaded it. Double click on it, minimize the browser. Here you can see installer is visible. At first just set the path by just checking the box. So you can click on install now or customize installation, but I always prefer custom installation. So you need to click on it. So here in you can see documentation, it will install pip. I told you a pip is used to download and install Python packages. So we are installing pip. Idle IDE is an ID for Python. You can run your program. File launcher is also here, so click on next. Advanced option, install for all users. You can select it if you want. Rest keep as it is, and here it will create a folder Python 39 in program file. If you want to change the location, click on browse, but I think this is fine. I will click on cancel and keep the same location. Just click on install. So the installation started. Just wait for few seconds. So you can see installation process is completed. Just click on close. Now let's check that we have successfully installed Python or not. Go to your command prompt by typing cmd, open it. Now here type Python space hyphen hyphen version and press enter. So you can see Python 3.9.6 version installed. Now you can also check it using py hyphen hyphen version and press enter. You can see the same. Now if you want to run Python program, there is two ways here. Either you can type py and press enter. Now you can just tap whatever you want. So I'm using a simple print statement, print function. You can say I will tap programming therapy, press enter. You can see it has printed it. So this is how you can install Python 3.9.6 on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.